Hey there fellow creators, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a game-changing tip for speeding up your editing workflow in Adobe Premiere Pro. So firstly, let's create a document. So I'm going to name it, let's say, Skipping Silence, like as the name of the video suggests. Then I'm going to create it. So after it's created, let's import our media, and I'm going simply to drag and drop it into the sequence. My sequence will be created automatically, and then as you can see, here is my sound wave, and there are some moments where the sound wave reaches zero level, so it means that silence is occurred at this moment. So what my goal is to make sure that I can get rid of the silence. Of course, I can cut it out like this, so it will be just simply cut out, but when we have a difficult interview, it will be very long to cut out all the silences in your video. So what I'm going to show you is how to do it automatically using the Adobe Audition. So what we're going to do is go to the edit in Adobe Audition, and then open this file in the Adobe Audition. After our video is opened in the Adobe Audition application, let me show you how to edit our video next. So you double click here on the sound wave panel, and here you can see our silences. So what we want to do is go to the diagnostics panel right here. Then we are going to go to the presets and choose the default one, and then we want to make our selection. You simply drag, it doesn't matter where you will do it, and then find levels. After levels are found, click out of the selection like this and press on the scan button. It will scan all the silences in your video. Then you want to press delete all, and after you press delete all the silences will be deleted from your video. As you can see, I have done it, and now no silence is detected in my video. To import the file, you want to go to the files and export, and then you are going to leave everything that will be like that in the program, and then you are going to export it to some of the folders on your device. Then let's get back into the Premiere Pro application, and then you can open the file as the video one. So you just double tap or you drag and drop the audio file that you have downloaded from your Adobe Audition, and then the one that will be already without the silences, and then you simply place it on the track, and you will have audio on your track, and it will not have any silences anymore. As you can notice, it's going to be shorter because we got rid of the silences and we got rid of some of the frames of the audio. Second way how you can do it is by automatically synchronizing the Adobe Audition software and the Premiere Pro. What you want to do is to choose your audio clip and then go to the edit, and then edit in Adobe Audition, and then you choose clip. After you have done like this, it will be automatically opened in the Adobe Audition, and then you're going to do equally same as before. You find the levels, then you scan the whole section, and after you have done it, you should see the button delete all, and after you have deleted all the silences, it will be synchronized to your Premiere Pro. So if we press Ctrl C and then get back to the Premiere Pro, we don't need even to import our file anymore. It will be edited automatically as we edit it in Adobe Audition. So as you can see, here is our file without any silences, but you can notice a small white part at the end of our track. So it's basically the parts that have been deleted from our section, and it means that there will be no any sound produced at this part of the video. And there you have it, folks, a simple yet incredibly effective technique for skipping your silences in Premiere Pro that is going to save you a lot of time while editing. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a subs and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Have a nice editing, and see you next video.